Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage junk email in Microsoft Outlook. In order to do this, you will have to come to your Outlook app. You can even log in into your Outlook account on outlook.com. Now once you're successfully logged in, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the left hand side. Now among these options, you need to click on junk email. Once I've done that, you are going to see all of the junk emails in this section, and in the top you are going to see this prompt as well, which says items in junk email will be permanently deleted after 10 days. Now over here you can do a lot of things with your junk email. For example, you just have to right click on the email that you have selected, and here you are going to see a bunch of different options, such as the first option that we have is of forward. So if you have any email in your junk folder that you think is important and you want to forward it to someone else, then you will have to select the forward option. After that, you can delete that email one by one. After that, if you want to move your email from your junk email folder to your inbox or to deleted items or archive, or if you want to create a new folder for it, then you can also do these things with this move section. After that, you can even copy that particular email to another folder, such as on inbox, deleted items, archive, etc. You can even categorize it as blue category, green category, or you can even basically label that particular email. Then you can mark it as unread. You can flag that particular email, you can report it, you can block the user or the sender, you can add rules in order to manage it. You can find related items like the related messages from that sender or a related conversation from that sender. Then you can view it in a new tab, or you can show in immersive reader. You can view manage source as well. If you want to save the junk email as, then you can tap on save as and you can save it. After that, in the advanced actions, you are going to see create task. So if you want to create any task for the email, then you can also do this. If you click on it, then in the right hand side you are going to see this delete button. So if you want to delete any of the emails from your junk email, then you can click on this delete button. But if you want to empty your junk email right away, then you will have to right click on junk email, and then you are going to see the option of empty folder. So you need to click on empty folder and you can delete all of your files from your junk folder. Now over here you are also going to see the flag option. So if you flag it, then the email from the sender will be blocked, and next time whenever you receive the email from the same person, this will be automatically come in your junk email. Now over here you are going to see this envelope option. So if you click on this envelope option, then it will show you that it is unread, but if you want to read it, then you can click on it again. So with the help of these few options, you will be able to easily manage your junk folder on Outlook. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.